guys, welcome to Beyond the For Sale Sign, your complete guide to navigating the home buying journey in today's changing market. I'm Victoria. I'm a licensed real estate professional here in North and South Carolina. Over the next few episodes, I'm going to take you beyond the surface and we're going to dive deeper into the world of home ownership. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking to upgrade or you're considering buying or selling your home without a real estate agent,
you are fired.
I'm here to guide you through every single step of the way. So here's what you can expect from this upcoming episodes. Game changer. We're going to dive into the recent NAR settlement, and I'm going to explain to you what exactly this means for you as a buyer or a seller. I'm going to explore how this might impact your decision if you want to work with a real estate agent or if you decide to work without a real estate agent. Do-it-yourself home buying. In light of this NAR settlement, I'm going to dedicate several episodes to guide those of you who are looking to buy your home without the help of a real estate agent. I'm going to cover everything you need from finding properties to negotiating prices on your own. I'm going to provide you with a detailed walkthrough of the home buying process, from saving for a down payment to getting the keys to your new home, with options for both traditional and do-it-yourself approaches. Market Watch. I'm going to teach you how to understand the current market trends, the prices, and prediction in the real estate market to help you make the best informed decision. Show me the money. I'm going to help you with everything you need to know about financing your home, which includes mortgages, loans, and creative financing options. The fine print. We're going to decode different real estate jargons, and I'm going to help you understand the legal aspects of buying a home, with special attention to what you need to know if you're going to do it alone. By the end of the series, whether you choose to work with a real estate professional or you choose to navigate this process by yourself, you'll be equipped to look beyond the for sale sign and make one of the biggest decisions of your life with confidence. So, are you ready to start your home journey process? I want you to stay tuned, subscribe, and let's get started.